In this video, I will take a close look at Higgsfield AI to see how it stacks up against other video generation tools on the market today. This platform focuses on social media creators who need high-quality animations without the steep learning curve of professional software. One major plus is the mobile-first approach, which allows you to generate and edit scenes right from your phone. The motion control is impressive and gives you realistic character movements that feel less robotic than many competitors. However, the current generation speed can be a bit slow during peak hours. Some users might also find the pricing tiers a bit high if they are just starting out. On the other hand, the artistic style options are vast and allow for a lot of creative freedom. It really shines when you want to create vertical content for TikTok or Reels quickly. While it might not replace high-end cinema tools yet, it is a fantastic choice for viral marketing. If you want simplicity and great motion, Higgsfield is a strong contender.